In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix computer keyboard not working properly. So if you have issues where you are trying to type keyboard keys but they can't type, or they are typing the wrong characters or letters, then let me show you how you can fix this. Now to get started, you need to go ahead and right click on Start menu here. Just right click on it and then you should see Device Manager. Now this will open the Device Manager, and under this, go ahead and look for keyboard. Now if you click on keyboard, you can see now your keyboard should be here. Go ahead and right click on it and then choose Properties. This will open a new window, and then go ahead and click on Driver, and here's the option. Under this, go ahead and update driver by just clicking on Update Driver, and here you can search automatically for up-to-date drivers, and your computer will go ahead and try to look for the latest drivers and install them. For my case, the best drivers for this device are already installed, so I'll just go ahead and close this. So if you still experience any challenge after even updating your driver, then you need to go ahead and click on Uninstall Device. So if you click on Uninstall Device, this will go ahead and uninstall the keyboard drivers and then install them afresh when you restart your computer. At this time now, go ahead and close this, and now your keyboard should be functioning just as usual. So that's how you can fix any keyboard issues on your computers on either Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.